Here's a guide on how you can find the call forwarding and call waiting on your Xiaomi Poco X6 or the X6 Pro phone. Your Poco X6 Pro phone will most likely be using the Google dialer. So once you have your SIM card all set up inside your phone, you'll go to the Google dialer itself. And once in this section here, you're gonna go to the three dots at the top right. So tap on that one time and you'll see these options, go to settings. And now under settings, you'll want to go to where it says calling accounts right here. Once you're in the calling accounts section, you're going to see these different options and you can choose to go from call forwarding or to call waiting. Now the SIM card I have in here doesn't work, but it's just to help me access this feature to show you where it's located on this particular phone. So once you see it, you'll be able to access it and you'll be able to get access to these settings right here, always forward, when busy, and you're gonna set it to where you want it to be forwarded to which number, okay? So that's a call forwarding. And then the call waiting one is during a call, notify me of other incoming calls. And it's not gonna be able to turn on from here because I don't have a working SIM card once again, but you should be able to have that turn on, all right? Now, just so you understand what call waiting is, basically call waiting is if you are already in a call right now on your Poco phone, and someone else is calling you, it's going to appear on your screen showing that you have that incoming call, in which in most cases with most phones, you can choose to answer that other person and have the other person that you were in a call with on hold or wait. That's what call waiting does. So it lets you know about that incoming call while you're in a call and also be able to choose between which call you're gonna keep or answer or put on hold. And if this guide helped you, like and sub.